What if I told you 5 simple stock picks right now could set you up for massive gains in 2025 and beyond? The crazy part, Wall Street analysts and top investors are already calling these companies the future. Stay with me until the end, because the last stock on this list might just surprise you the most. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 stocks to buy in August 2025. These aren't random names. These are trending picks that analysts are upgrading, institutions are buying, and smart money is moving into. So grab a notebook, because you'll want to remember these. First up, Amazon. Everyone knows Amazon dominates e-commerce. But here's the real story. It's Amazon Web Services, or AWS, that's driving the future. With the AI boom, cloud computing demand is skyrocketing. Amazon is not just an online store anymore. It's becoming the backbone of the internet. Analysts say AWS alone could generate over $100 billion in revenue this year. And that's before new AI tools roll out. Wall Street predicts double-digit growth in 2025, making Amazon a must-own for long-term investors. Next, Nvidia. If you've heard the words AI or ChatGPT this year, chances are Nvidia is behind it. Their chips are literally powering the entire AI revolution. Every major tech company, from Microsoft to Tesla, relies on Nvidia GPUs. Analysts call Nvidia the picks and shovels play of this AI gold rush. Even after its massive run-up, demand is so strong that supply still can't keep up. That's why hedge funds and institutions continue to load up on shares. Number 3, Microsoft. Here's the secret. Microsoft isn't just Office and Windows anymore. It's now the AI partner of OpenAI, and its Azure cloud business is crushing it. From businesses to schools to entertainment and healthcare, Microsoft is weaving AI into everyday life. Revenue from AI services is growing faster than almost any part of the company. That's why Wall Street is labeling Microsoft a must-own stock for the next decade. Think about it. When the world runs on AI, Microsoft is right at the center. Number 4, Howmet Aerospace. This one is a bit of a hidden gem. While tech stocks grab headlines, Howmet has been quietly delivering more than 60% growth this year. They make advanced parts for aircraft engines and defense systems. And with global travel returning, plus rising defense spending worldwide, aerospace is entering a new boom cycle. This is the kind of stock many beginners overlook. But smart investors are paying attention. Sometimes, the biggest gains come from names flying under the radar. And finally, Meta. Yes, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. But here's what's new. Meta is going all in on AI, ads, and the metaverse. Their ad revenue keeps climbing, and with billions of daily active users, they have an advantage no competitor can match. Recently, Bank of America named Meta a top stock pick for August, calling it undervalued compared to its growth potential, when a company this big is still growing at double-digit rates. You know, there's opportunity. So there you have it. Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, Howmet Aerospace, and Meta. 5 stocks trending right now in August 2025, with massive upside potential if you play the long game. But here's the golden rule. Investing isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Even small investments, held for years, can turn into life-changing money. So, do your own research, invest wisely, and think long-term. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so more investors can see it. And don't forget to subscribe, because I've got more powerful stock insights coming your way. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.